I just came back from a very interesting business consulting meeting. The company invited me to help them architect a new recruiting process. Their existing recruiting process is not working well. The employees that are being hired are not able to perform their jobs, and therefore the company thought to bring a consultant to try to rethink their recruiting process and therefore fix the problem. When I went there, and also from existing experience, I wanted to see what those employees supposed to do and not concentrate in the beginning on the recruiting process, because in most cases that's not the problem. When we went over the system that's supposed to host those employees, in their case it was Salesforce. Now it's irrelevant if it's Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoho. It's just a CRM. I saw that the employees are having a free-for-all kind of approach. The employees are getting training on how to use the system, which is perfect, but the training is based on what you want to do next is up to you. There is no step-by-step approach. Every employee can do whatever they want whenever they are finishing the training, and therefore there is no one way for the employee to function, and there is no way for the management to know where those employees are lacking. The first thing that I did with this company, I wanted them to create a process for the CRM side. In the Zoho world, it will be a blueprint. In Salesforce, there is a different thing. It's irrelevant. The idea is to create a step-by-step approach that whenever an employee is working on a new lead, they will have buttons or they will have processes that will cage the employee to work in a very specific manner, that the employee cannot go right or left. They will be restricted to what management wants them to do. And from the other side, management will be able to control and monitor if the employee is following those steps. Bottom line, we architected the system around the CRM side versus the recruiting side. The reason for this video is just to try to express that about 50% of the consulting sessions that I'm involved in, the problem is not the problem that the business thinks it is. It might be, as I was in the meeting today, that the company thought it's a recruiting problem, but it's actually a process problem in a different system. The same manner can be that companies thinking that their marketing campaigns are not performing because they can't convert people. It might be that their sales process is not working because there is a different problem. In some cases, very common, companies will advertise their solution. The advertisement will bring wrong audience. This audience will convert, but it will not convert to business. It will convert only to leads because they came for something that the company cannot provide. And that's usually because the marketing company wants to push as much traffic as possible, while the business wants to close different type of audience. But this type of audience will be more expensive to bring, so the marketing company is just pushing crap. So you're getting leads, you're not getting conversions. So if you are having any kind of a problem in your business and you want to rethink what you're currently doing, I advise you to step back, have a bird's eye view of the entire operation, start tracking it from the beginning of the funnel. For example, lead comes in or sales beginning, and try to see if the entire things work well. If you have a strategic business partner, this is probably the person that you want to bring into this meeting because they're able to see things in a cold way with lots and lots of experience in the industry, and they can help you understand where the problem is. And once you know where is the problem, the solution is usually not that difficult to do. The problem is just finding what you're fighting and not fight all the world, just fight this one thing that is able to bring you success and growth.